Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a nice weekend. If you're Canadian, it's Thanksgiving weekend, so hope you're having a good time. Don't eat too much turkey. Today, I'm going to turn a negative into a positive using these. So what exactly are these? Well, these are Camber adjustment bolts. Now, I'm running a Crown Vic conversion on this hot rod, and I got the Crown Vic from a guy down about 3 hours away. I had no idea of the condition. It's a 2003 Crown Vic front end, and over the years these setups do kind of relax, shall we say, over time, which means you lose the positive camber. So the wheels are currently sitting like that, and there's no way to push the bottoms in to make the wheels straight again. So you need one of these kits. Okay, as you can see, elongated washer with a notch, and the idea is that you fit this in the hole where it's supposed to be. So instead of that being in the middle, you can turn it and it will move the control arm in and out by about, that's about 1.5 inches movement you have there. I currently have none, so I'm at the mercy of gravity. So let me get under the car and show you what has to be done. Right, let's get under here. Okay, the camber adjustment bolts are there. Okay, that bolt there. So as you can see, the bolt is currently sitting right in the middle of that gap, and in order for this to come in, that bolt will need to be able to get over there. So as you can see, there's absolutely no way that I can adjust this. It's very, very frustrating. There's nothing at the top of the setup that you can adjust. So I need to remove that bolt, but I can't just put the new bolt in. I actually have to do a little bit of grinding to make the hole that goes through a bit longer. Now I can't just do that. I actually have to remove the steering rack, or not so much remove it, but as you can see, that bolt is going to come out and hit there. So that needs to get moved up a little bit. So let me get some tools and get started. Now, normally you would do this kind of job on like a 4-post ramp because you want to kind of keep some weight on the front wheels. I don't have that luxury, so I'm going to jack the whole thing up as high as I can get it for now. Put some axle stands under the frame, and then if I have to, I can always jack up the arms to get a bit of weight on or off. Well, look what I discovered. As you can see, the original bolt does in fact have an adjustable washer thing. I have no idea how that works actually. It's got little lugs there, but you know what, I've got the new one, I might as well fit it. Also, the new one means that I can put the washer kind of in first, and then I can put the bolt through and I won't have all this in the way for trying to get it on and off. So let me reassemble this. You know what, I'm not even going to grind that for now, because if you look at the original bolt, it was set right in the middle. So I reckon even if I adjust it all the way in, it's going to make a huge difference. So we'll give that a go. At least I know now how to dismantle it, and I'll get this side back in and get the other side done. You know, the hardest part of this operation is getting that boot back on, because that's really tight and I don't have access at the back. Anyway, it's done. So the purpose of this whole adventure was to be able to move that closer to the middle to bring the bottom of the wheel in, and the top would naturally go out. So you do that by turning this bolt, and it's got the lock at the back. So if you watch this, you'll see what I mean. So that's it going out. That's more negative camber, but I don't want that. I want positive camber. So I need to turn that pretty much all the way in. See how much that's moving. So what I'm going to do is adjust it all the way in for now, and hopefully I'll actually have too much positive camber so I can adjust it back. But if I don't have enough, I'll need to take all this apart and grind out that slot so that I'll get even more movement across there. But for now, let's try it as it is. So it's easier to get that bolt from the back. So let me crawl under the car. Oh, sorry. I'm just making sure that it doesn't turn when I do this. Okay, now do the other side. Really jealous of all these guys that have got the 4-post ramps or the 2-post ramps. Oh, I forgot to adjust that, didn't I? Okay, I'm going to need the spanner on the inside for this. So I want this all the way in, which will be that way, I think. Okay, now I need to tighten. You know, it's kind of awkward, but there's more awkward jobs in the world. Right, it's pretty tight, although I might get the torque wrench on that and make sure. But for now, I want to make sure it's corrected the issue. Right, let's lower it down and see. So, did it work? Let's have a closer look. So as I was hoping, it's actually a little bit out that way, which means I've got room for adjustment in the way, which is perfect. I mean, it looks like it's sitting pretty straight. Let's see the other wheel. Don't worry, my neighbour's making noise, you know. Getting revenge. And I obviously still have the tracking to do, but I don't want to touch that until I actually drive it down the road and see which way it's pulling. Hopefully it'll drive perfectly straight, but what are the chances of that happening? So that means I can score something off the list. Camber bolts. I still haven't bought new Sharpies yet. Now, that was not quite the last thing that I needed for the safety. Obviously there's a lot of other stuff to do, but I did have a previous list of everything I had to must get done for the safety test. The camber bolts was really holding me back. Right, I've also got the wiper vacuum sorted. I've got brake booster hose to fit. Steering column mount it works for now, it's not perfect. Got to do all the wiring tidy, got to do a trunk handle. I'm sure there was something else I could knock off the list. Where is it? Wiper switch. Okay, throw that away for now because I've had some deliveries. I'm going to start with the one I got first, which is this little package. I think I know what this is, and I know it's small, but good things come in small packages. Let me tear into this. No message. Pretty sure I know who this is from. I think this is from Ben, one of my subscribers, also one of my son's friends, which was very nice. I'm not seeing a name, so I'm pretty sure it was Ben. If it was you, Ben, thank you very much. And let me explain what these are. I don't need to fit these right away, but most of you will know what these are. They are Halloween eyes. That was scary. No, these are huge grommets for my valve covers. Now I need to replace my valve covers because at the moment I've got very nice valve covers, the finned ones, you've probably seen them, but only one of them has a hole in them, and I've got a breather in the top, but that doesn't allow for the positive pressure to release. So I'm going to end up getting oil coming out of one of the, that breather cap. Ideally, I want a PCV valve on one side and the breather on the other. Now I have ordered the PCV valve, which might have arrived today, I'm not sure. But that also means that I will be using different valve covers. I do have a set of, those sort of square chrome jobs, and they've already got a hole in each one, so I don't need to destroy my valve covers. I'll put them in storage until my next project, because they're too pretty to give away, I'm sorry. So again, Ben, thank you very much. This one arrived yesterday. Now I'm pretty sure I know who this is from as well. I need my glasses. I can't see without my glasses. Scooby-Doo reference. I hope there's a message inside because I don't see who it's from. I'm opening this very carefully because it says, please handle with care, fragile, thank you. Oh my god! Excuse my French, but check that out. Bugsy, Scott Rods. That is phenomenal. Okay, who's it from? Patty Winters. Someone else is using their wife's Amazon account. Oh, who's this from? Right, hold on. I'm going to go and find out because this is far too nice not to give a proper thank you to. Check that out. Look at that. Oh, it's so nice. Hold on. Okay, folks, I thought I knew who it was, and I was right. So this is from Jerry Winters, who's also in Canada, Thunder Bay, way up north from me. And I have to say, I've got pretty emotional over this one. You put a lot of effort into getting this. It's just perfect. Oh, thank you so much. I can't decide if I should put it in the front or the back. Probably the back. Gorgeous. Thank you, Jerry. Superb. Oh, honestly, tearing up. It's ridiculous. Okay, back to business. Oh my goodness, I can't go over that. That's brilliant. So I'm pretty sure this is my PCV valve. Excellent. It's pretty simple. I didn't want anything too ridiculous, so that'll go in, hopefully. Yes. So I need to order a PCV. Is it supposed to rattle? So yeah, that will get squashed into one of those grommets. Take a line from there, take it to, yeah, I need to, if I'm going to plumb that into the bottom of the carb, I need to find another location for the brake booster. So I'm going to need one of those manifold adapter things. But for now, it'll do, it'll do. Oh, so happy, so happy. Okay folks, thanks for joining me today. I had a spectacularly good Thanksgiving weekend. I hope you did too. Getting very close. Honestly, I think that was the last major thing I had to get done in the car for the safety. Everything else is just gravy. So I'm going to start looking into getting a trailer in Southern Ontario. U-Haul do, U-Haul do the sort of the big boxy trailer things, which I used to pick this up, but I can't use that. It's not big enough. So I'll need to try and get a car hauler trailer. So I'll look into that. I'll contact my safety guy, see when he's available, and then I can get everything else done. Just so excited, so excited. Right, lots to do this week, so make sure you tune in. I will be uploading every day because I've got a lot to do, and I'll be recording everything. Like it or not, you're getting to see it. Okay, take care everyone. See you in the next one. Bye bye.